Tired of seeing hilarious tweets and wanting to save them directly to your phone? First, find the Twitter video you want to download using your Android phone. Once you find the tweet that has the video, tap the share icon. This icon is typically located near the bottom right corner of the tweet, right below the video. Click the share icon to see your sharing options. From the share sheet, choose the copy link option. This will copy the URL of the tweet containing the video to your clipboard. Next, open your web browser like Chrome. Now go to a Twitter video downloader website. A popular and free one is twittervideodownloader.com. Type the website address in the address bar. Once on the website, locate the text box where you can paste the copied link. It's usually labeled Paste Twitter Video Link here or something similar. Tap and hold inside the text box, then select Paste from the menu that appears. After pasting the link, tap the download button. The website will process the video and provide you with download options. Select your preferred video quality and format. Usually, there will be multiple options, from low to high quality. Click the download button next to your preferred option. Your download will begin automatically. You can check the progress in your notification bar. Once the download is complete, the video will be saved to your phone's gallery or downloads folder. That's it. You can now watch the downloaded Twitter video offline.